Now I request Sir Raghunathan, our first alumni coordinator and the evergreen Devanand of our institution, to say a few words about the alumni.
Now, the respected dignitaries and shall I call my dear children? No, when I joined, yeah, no, wait, one more. When I joined in 1973, I used to feel proud because I was the only giant figure among the place here. But now I feel I am one of the smallest figure among you people. So that people are grown broadwise as well as linear wise. Okay. Before I mean that actually I am given just now a short notice to say a few words here. And you know that, especially to speak in English, we need, we need the practice. But in my case anyway, that I am not talking to anybody who is not known to me, my own people. So that's why I just took the courage of coming here and standing and talking a few words. Okay? Now, I would like to share you certain things. What made me to be here in Don Bosco. Because in 1972, I came to Mumbai, I mean that now it is known as Mumbai, for a interview, officers trainee in Reserve Bank of India. And you won't believe, I was selected. I was selected. The thing is, no, that time there was that police verification. And in no, some or other, when they send that, after my medical test and everything, when they send that for the verification to my native place, I don't know, maybe my enemy, or now I feel that my friend only. He gave a negative reply, and that is why I was out. And then I joined Don Bosco. And there, you know, that I was feeling a little bit awkward, like, because, you know, that our accent from South is not acceptable to the people here in Maharashtra. But two factors made me to be here. First thing was, that time in Don Bosco, the borders were there. They were from Vasai and they studied in Marathi medium. So as a result, what happened is, I was better in English than these students. Then my superiors, of course, no doubt, Father Joseph, he was from South. And not only that one, that Italian priest were there, Father Alessi. And you know that Father Alessi, when he came to the class once, I remember, only 13 students were there. He gave a big speech, and all were pin drop silence and everything. And after that, I asked the students, because I didn't understand what he spoke. So I asked the students, Arey, did you understand? Then you know, that encouraged me to be here, because they told me, you are better than Father. And these are the two factors which made me to be here. After that, things are, you know it is a history. And you know that my dialogues, I know. No, one-liners, no doubt. But you know, it used to be appreciated by my students, but parents never used to appreciate. I remember, you know, after that I stopped that one, because generally I used to say that if I give one, your parents even won't, and your mother won't open the door. Then they used to ask me that, why? Because the small kids know. So I tell them that because the shape will be changed, that's why your parents may not be able to recognize. Okay, these all are minor things. But once I use another dialogue, I just made it a little bit more serious. I told in one of the cases, I am not mentioning the name of that student. He used to irritate me. So I told him that, I wish your parents were not married. My God. No, thing was, that he, due to his innocence, he went and told at home. The next day, father came. And I was not remembering the thing only because these things are... So he told me that, sir, that so-and-so thing happens. But anyway, that man was really to be appreciated. I mean, I had to still remember him because, he told me that, don't worry, sir, of course, once in a way, even I get irritated and I use the words worse than what you said. But try to control yourself because, sometimes, all people may not digest the things. So that way it is. So anyway, whatever it is, I don't want to delay the things much. But it is something very pleasant. And I came all the way from Kerala just to see you people. And no, the thing is that the things are okay. To a certain extent, better than what I enjoy in Mumbai. But only thing is, what I am missing is you people. In fact, yes? Pardon me? I couldn't get you. Yeah, superior. Badia, that means I know, that is the worst thing with me, that when I came to Mumbai, I was not knowing ABCD of Marathi. So, my dear friend, Mr. Singh, he taught me one word in Marathi. Okay, I'm not telling the word. And he told me the meaning that, Raghu, it is thank you. Okay, then we had a get together and Singh came and gave me some, some moment or something like that. So, near the mic only, I used that Marathi word. Then he understood that the mistake what he made with me. Something like that, I know. I remember the word still, but I know that my decency and the respect towards you people won't allow me to say in public. Pardon? He wanted to say that one. Because here, here you due to my skin color. I know, that also I want to share you that one. Because that time, that Father Alessi was in charge of boarding, Father Aloysius. So on Saturdays, he used to go for some home visit and all. So I used to stay in that servant quarters, in the Don Bosco only. So when he is going, before that he used to call me, sir, go do one thing there, just look after that borders. Only the dinner you have to be there. And around 33 borders were there. And before that, Father Joseph told me, with the borders you have to be very strict, otherwise that you are gone. So I used to be very strict. Very strict means sometimes that even I myself used to curse for that strictness. So in dinner time, that day Father Aloysius went, and around 7 o'clock we gathered in that dormitory, and there is one platform, and all these 33 students were with that steel plate, and I was there standing, and I am supposed to take the prayer, and that before that dinner and all. Then for a long time I was with Father, so I already by hearted the prayer and all. And then, no, I'm just telling you that they started the prayer, and that time you won't believe, Borivali, this electricity used to go. So all on a sudden, electricity went. And pitch dark. And pitch dark means, that even your own finger you can't make out that it is coming to your eyes. Pitch dark. And then, the thing is not that way. Then immediately my sixth sense told me, you be careful because they are with a steel plate. If they throw that one to you, finish. because that heavy steel plate it is. Then what I did is, from the platform, I just got down and stood near one of the students. And then all on a sudden, that student, Kalia, something like that. So immediately I caught his hand. And then immediately light came. And you won't believe, trembling. And then he got fever. And then Dr. Kelkar was there. So the next day Kelkar came. And when he came, I went to see that how the child is. Then Kelkar told me that, sir, you don't come because you know that the moment you enter, no, his heartbeat starts. And who is the student? I can tell you now, Father Kennedy. Now he is there in South Africa or something. Father Kennedy. So, pardon? So many things were there. Anyway, whatever it is that I don't want to delay the things much. But this is something very pleasant, and on behalf of my colleagues, ex-colleagues to a certain extent, and on behalf of all the teachers present here, I express my gratitude to the organizers, and I'm not quoting the names because you know if I leave out one name, then it will be a problem for that person. So instead of that one, it is better not to mention anybody's name. Better not to mention anything because you know that because I have to walk all the way to Govind Nagar. That's what. So still I don't know what is the condition of this one. So this way, so many things are there to share, but anyway that time doesn't permit. Even that Mr. Singh, one day he took me to that Ajanta talkies. And that time you know that, no, that time this TV and all were not there. No, not matinee only. No, the thing is, there you know it was houseful. So he told that one who is selling in black, "Are ye to havildar hai, usko dene ka something." And the worst thing is that lady who was selling, she stays next to my house, you know that in that chawl. She said, "क्या बात करता है ये तो उधर का मास्टर जी है क्या बात करता है सब मेरा?" Asking me. So many things are there to share. Anyway, whatever it is, this alumni or past people's association is doing a very good job. And I remember in 1981, it was started. One Taranandan Vaidya was there, then one Sanjay Muzumdar and Father Joseph, and one father from Don Bosco Matunga, but I don't remember the name of that father. No, not Father Samara. I think it's something long name because Father Samara and all I can remember the name fast now. No. Mariota, Father Mariota, correct, Father Mariota. So we started in 1981. Then you know that it had a premature death. Then in 1998, I think, 98, again that by the Dr. Nitin Punyarthi and Father Dominic. And there you know that you have to mention the name of Father Dominic. Because Father Dominic is taken the trouble of bringing it up to a certain extent. And of course, Father Dominic, I am telling you that among all the principles, I am not saying that the other principle is not good, that among all the principles, Father Dominic used to be strict. No doubt about it, Father. I didn't get a chance to be under you, Father. No, Father Dominic used to be strict, no doubt, but at the same time, he had a very far-sighted person. He was a very far-sighted person because you know that recently I met that Paul Valtati. Then he's telling that if Father Dominic was not there, I should not have been here. So I mean that way many incidents are there. He was strict, no doubt. There were many things like that, but so many things are there. So anyway, that Past People Association is doing a very good job. And last year only that just now I read that 10 lakhs rupees is given to the school benefit fund. That's good. And plus, I used to advise that organizers that if the money accumulates, the problem starts. So whenever the money is there, just disperse it. Disperse it for good purposes. Otherwise, if the money is accumulated, even 10 lakhs and all, I was worried, but why the problem was not started that time. But the moment money accumulates, the problem starts. So now I think that they don't have any money. No, Then in fact, I'm happy that they at least one advice they listen from me. That's good. Now, the thing is, that my request to you people, now they are coming out with various projects like career guidance for that municipal children, municipal school children. Because our children mean there is no need. Because almost all of them are from a well-to-do background. But if you can do this type of things to this nearby municipal school, there that you won't believe even that in Kerala I was working in a school, there that the parents are finding it very difficult to meet two ends together. And here that I remember that once we had a collection drive, and within 1 week lakhs and lakhs rupees were collected. There that if you want to collect 5 rupees, at least 2-3 months we have to be after the parents. There is a opposite part of it. And you all are born with the silver spoon in the mouth, whereas there are underprivileged people. So my request to the Past People's Association is to do something for these children, to bring them up. And my request to you people, my dear, just sponsor for them. And once the money is collected, see that the last pie also is spent for that purpose only. Don't keep it in your account. And the moment you accumulate money in your account, the problem starts. Not only for past people, even for us also. Even for individuals also, I am telling you that one. Anything in excess is always dangerous. If you have money in excess, danger. If you have beauty in excess, danger. No, if you have knowledge in excess, danger. I am telling you that everything must be average. Like me. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sir Raghunathan. Thank you so much. I'm sure you enjoyed. You're waiting for this moment for him to speak. Thank you.